In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove account limitations in Telegram. If you've noticed you can't message strangers, join groups, or your messages are hidden to people who don't have you saved, your account might be temporarily limited. These limits are usually triggered by spam reports or unusually fast activity. And the best way to check your status and resolve it is built right into the app. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop. Make sure you are logged in to the account that's experiencing the issue. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to install the latest version so everything loads correctly and you see the most accurate prompts. Next, use @SpamBot. In the search bar, type @SpamBot. Open the verified bot and tap Start. The bot will immediately tell you whether your account is restricted. And if so, why? Read the explanation carefully. It might mention recent reports, too many forwarded messages, or other behavior that looked automated. If the bot says your account is fine, here is nothing else you need to do. If it shows a restriction, keep going. If you believe the limitation is a mistake, submit an appeal directly through @SpamBot. The bot will guide you through leaving a statement for the Telegram support team. Keep your message clear and factual. Briefly explain what you were doing when the limit happened, why you think it's not spam, and reassure that you'll follow Telegram's guidelines. You don't need to share any sensitive personal details, just context. Polite, concise appeals are easier to review. Now, wait for review. After you submit your statement, a real person will look into your case. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the queue. Avoid sending multiple appeals or flooding support. That won't speed things up and can complicate your case. You can continue using Telegram within the limits while you wait. In some situations, especially if the limitation came from excessive actions like rapidly joining groups or sending many identical messages, the restriction may be temporary and lift automatically in about 24 hours. If that's your case, give it time. Slow down your activity and avoid repeating the behavior that triggered the limit. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.